guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment down below. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I will reply everybody. And don't forget to subscribe and also share this video with people who may need it. What you're going to do in this video is I'm going to teach you guys how to use widgets to customize your home screen on iOS 14. You guys, I am so excited for this new update. So the first thing you need for this is you need to have an iPhone, and the second thing is you need to go and update your software. Go to your settings and press on software update, or download and install the iOS 14 anyhow. And after that, the next thing we are going to do is to try to choose a background color or a theme you would like to go with on your home screen. For me, I like blue, so I'm going to go with a blue theme. You can go with a pink theme, a yellow theme, red theme, whatever theme you want to use for yours. And after that, you're going to make a list of apps you want to have on your home screen to make it easier. So for me, for example, I want to have my TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, and my Gmail on my home screen. So I'm going to customize them so that I can have them on my home screen. So as you can see, I already have two already. I already customized my Instagram and my TikTok. So we're going to go ahead and do the rest, and I'm going to carry you guys along as I do them. So right now we're going to try to clear everything on our home screen in case you have them. I already moved everything here to this side. So the next thing you're going to do right now is to try to create icons for your app. So I'm going to try to create icons for my app. Instead of using the Instagram icon and the TikTok icon, you can as well try to use pictures instead. But for me, I'm going to use all these Instagram and TikTok, Facebook icons because I like them. So right now I'm going to show you guys how to create your own icon in case you don't know how to do it. So I like using Canva, but you can use PixArt to do this as well. You can use PixArt, you can use the Over app, but I'm going to use Canva to do mine. So we're going to go ahead and open up Canva. Okay, this is the last one that I already did. This is the last one I did. So I'm going to go back and start afresh. So you're going to click on the plus button and click on custom dimensions. So I use 200 by 200 to do mine. Create new design, and then I'm going to try to upload my image from my, I already have this picture here because this is the picture that I'm using to do the background of my icon. So I'm going to click on one of these pictures. You can as well add any picture you like. So I'm going to crop this to fill in the square. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to click on the plus button and go to Elements, Search. So I'm going to try to search for whatever I need. I've already done the icons for almost everything that I want. So we're going to do an icon for photos. I already have one, but let's just do an icon for photos. Good. So as you can see, I have a lot of options here. There are a lot of options, and the pro versions in case you want to buy one. So guys, I'm going to use this one. Yes, I'm using the free ones. So I'm going to try to change the color for all of them. Like I said, I'm going with a blue theme, so I'm going to try to make everything blue. And then I'm going to use like a light shade of blue to do this one. Yes, perfect. So I like how it's looking right now. So I'm going to go ahead and save this picture as image. And that's it. So the next thing you're going to do right now is to create shortcuts. I'm going to tap on shortcuts. When you open shortcuts, you're going to click on the plus button. Then you're going to click on, next you're going to click on is the add action. Then click on scripting and click on open app. Then you're going to choose which app you want. I'm going to go ahead and choose one app. So I'm going to choose YouTube, and then you click on the three dots by the right. Click on the three dots and put shortcut name. So I'm going to type YouTube. You can do this in capital letter and you can do it in small letter, whichever way you want to do it. Doing that, you're going to press add to home screen, and then you're going to go over here and change the picture. I'm going to choose a photo. I already created an icon for my YouTube, so I'm going to click on this one and add. So as you can see, it has been added to my home screen. So let's go back and check it. So this is what it looks like. I think it is quite tiny, but let's just go ahead and work with it. So I'm going to try to move this to the front page. So yes, that's it. So you're going to do the same thing for all your apps. Just go ahead and finish up with my own customizations, and I'll be back to show you guys how you can add your widgets. I already finished adding my icons. So the next thing you're going to do now is to go ahead and add the widgets. So iPhone comes with its own, but if you want to be able to customize yours, you have to download this app, this WIDGETSMITH app. So right now I'm going to try to customize mine. I tried to do this first one yesterday, and I think I'm going to try to do another one. So let's just try to customize it from scratch. So guys, let me just tap on this, and then I'm going to try to customize this to be like in a blue theme, because I'm going with a blue theme on my home screen. So I also want everything to be in a blue theme. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on default widget. I'll just tap on it, and then I'm going to click on font. So if you click on font, you're going to see different types of fonts. You just go ahead and choose a particular one that you like. For me, I like this chalk duster, so I'm going to click on the chalk duster. So I'm going to click on the chalk duster, and then I'm going to click on the background color and go ahead to look for something that looks like blue. Okay, I can see pastel blue. Let's go ahead and see if you can see like a blue color. Okay, I can see a blue color, guys. So I'm going to use this pastel blue for the background, and let's go back and see how it looks. Okay, so to import the widget into my phone, I'm going to press and tap the plus button, and then I'm going to search for widgets. Good. So I'm going to add the medium widget. So as you can see, it's already popped up on my screen, and wow, I think I like this. So I'm going to choose this clock. So I'm going to add this here. So later on, I'm going to customize this clock to rhyme with my blue theme, but for now, let's just try to organize it first. So I like the clock here. I'm going to add one more widgets to this. So we're going to go ahead and add one more. Good. So I just imported my Monday 21st widgets to this, and right now I feel like changing the other calendar. So guys, I went back to change my color to blue, and right now, yes, I think I'm happy with how this looks. So the next thing we're going to tackle right now is to change this clock to a blue color. We're going to try to change this clock to a blue color. Okay, I think I finally got how I want it to be. I decided to place jump boxes on the right side and my little apps on the left side and this calendar on top, and I think I like how it's looking right now. This is what I've come up with and I'm loving it so far. So guys, this is basically how to add the widgets to your phone. This is basically how to add the widgets. Don't delete your old apps. You don't have to delete your old apps, because once you delete them, you're going to delete the app automatically from your phone. So you don't have to delete your old apps. You can just add them into a folder and leave them there. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also share this video. If there is any question or any confusion, don't forget to leave them in the comment section. I will reply every single person. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.